Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and to this video guys, this is another Arabic tutorial. So pag-usapan po natin yung mga simple basic greetings in Arabic. So first po, hindi na po tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa guys, without further ado. So simulan na natin. Marhaba, that is hi and hello. So hi, hello, in Arabic is marhaba. So, pag may magsabi sa iyo guys na marhaba, so meaning niyan is hi or hello. So, ayan. At halimbawa, mayroong nag-greet sa iyo, may pumapasok and then may nag-greet sa iyo ng assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum meaning is peace be with you. So, peace be with you in Arabic is assalamu alaikum. And then sasagutin mo naman guys ng wa alaikum salam, na ibig sabihin is peace be with you too. So, ayan, peace be with you too. In Arabic is wa alaikum salam. And then, good morning in Arabic is sabal khair. So, sabal khair. So, pag may magsabi sa iyo guys na sabal khair, so, sasagutin mo naman sila ng Saba al-Nor, na ang ibig sabihin is good morning too. So, good morning too in Arabic is Saba al-Nor. And then, good evening in Arabic is Masal khair. So, Masal khair, that is good evening. So, good evening, Masal khair. And then, sasagutin mo naman guys ng Masa al-Nor. So, good evening to Masa al-Nor. So, ayan po. Sana po mayroon kayong natutunan ng short natin na video for today. So, ayan po. And shout out nga pala kay Journey to a Happy Life. So, sis, ito na. At sana ay mayroon kang natutunan sa ating kunting or just only short video. So, ayan po yung request mo. So, shout out kay Sis GC Joy, kay Fly Away Funny Gardener, kay Trip Manix Vlog, and sa lahat ng ating mga bagong mga subscribers. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching guys. And kung mayroon pa po kayong gustong matutunan in Arabic, or kung mayroon man akong hindi nasabi na gusto niyo po, or kung mayroon man akong mali sa aking pronunciation, or mayroon man akong basta kayong mali siya. So, ayan, paki-correct lang po. I will appreciate it. So, i-appreciate ko yung, ayan, para may tama po natin. So, thank you so much guys. And, see you on my next vlog. God bless and keep safe everyone. Bye-bye.